Comedy Bar. At oras na po para malaman natin kung sino ang dalawang beer jeans na magpapaalam na.
Yes. At sino nga ba ang dalawang magpapaalam at sino rin ang dalawang mag-i-stay? Akin na ang resulta. Thank you very much, Madam from NMI. Smile, guys. Smile. Alam niyo naman siguro ng desisyon na ito ay resulta ng scores na binigay noon ng ating guest judge na si Ms. Diana Meneses, ang masusing deliberasyon ng ating production team, at syempre, resulta rin ito ng ating text votes mula sa ating viewers. Eto na. Given and Luani, please step forward.
Naku po!
One of you has to leave and one has to stay. It breaks our heart to see you leave, but we have to say goodbye to you. Thank you very much for the days you spent with us and for the wonderful Saturday nights that you spent with us here. Luani, gracias. Thank you very much, girl. Thank you. David and Casey, please step forward. Nakakatuwa rin for the past months na nagkasama-sama tayo rito. Pang ilang episode na ba natin to? 23rd?
625.
23rd. According to our judge, we'd like to say goodbye to David. Thanks, David.
David! Ako bahala sa'yo, David! Ha? Ay, wala. Wala akong kasama sa bahay.
Mag-isa lang sa bahay yan.
Ako bahala.
Alam mo ba yun?
Pero kanina yung babae, wala akong pakialam.
Best.
Meron din tayo
Step forward din tayo. Maraming salamat, David and Luani. Thank you very much. At congratulations naman kina Casey at Given na makakapag-stay pa din. At nagsimula na po ang auditions for new Beer James at very
Talaga?
soon. Makikilala. So, totoo pala yun. Na makikilala na po natin sila.
We still have more reasons to celebrate, kaya magbabalik pa po ang eto na, dali kayo na, dali.